Welcome back to the fourth and final part of the series on how do you make millions of dollars in real estate. In videos prior, my friends, we talked about having the winning system, how you duplicate your efforts, and the secret is partnering. But now if you really want to make all the money that there really is to do in real estate, you got to go to one final level. And for those of you that are my partners or future partners or a partner with others, you need to watch this video because this is the coolest thing I've seen in real estate in 15 years.
'Cause we're gonna be legends. What we're doing here ain't just scary. It's about to be legendary.
So as we talk about this conversation of how do I make millions of dollars, I need to introduce you to a new equation. And this infinity symbol is new. It's been 15 years in the making. You see, listen, I've been partnering with people everywhere all over the world. They give me their money, so to speak. I never really take possession of it, but I go into the market, I find the best deals, I leverage my team of 200 experts, and between their money that they have in 401ks and IRAs and retirement and equities, they combine it with me and my team, and we go in 50-50, and I'll take them to deals where, man, we're doing 25% ROIs on average on up, sometimes as high as over 30%. And then we multiply. We do start with 5 homes and we go to 10 homes and go from 10 homes, we go to 20. And my partners love it. But at some point they ganged up on me and they said, Chris, this is so cool what you're doing, but, and I'm like, dude, how can there be a but? What do you mean but? Like, this is amazing. They're like, yeah, but Chris, you have one final advantage that we don't. I said, what do you mean? They said, because you have the team and the system, you get to partner with as many people as you want. We're partnering with you and giving our money, but we're not partnering with other people. This final video, friends, is called Unlimited Partnering. And it is how you make the most money that you can possibly make in real estate. In fact, at my recent convention that I had just this last week, I had a bunch of new partners come on board, and many of them said, okay, Chris, we're gonna partner with you, but make no mistake, once our track record's in place, we wanna do what you can do. We wanna actually bring on 5 or 10 of our own partners so that we can start buying dozens of properties, maybe even hundreds of properties or beyond. The secret to really going as big and as far as you want is we need to take everything that you've been learning about. We've talked about having the winning system, check. We've been talking about having a team. I've only talked about your team. Right now I'm gonna talk about how you can inherit my team. And then number 3, we're gonna be talking about how you can have as many partners as you can possibly take on. The secret to making all of this happen is partnering with me and letting my team become your team. So friend, hear me out and check this out. I have a team of 200 experts. They go into the very best markets. They buy properties with often 25% plus ROI, return on investment. And the best part is it's all done turnkey. And that's probably the best part about this. So my partners literally were at the event and I've got my partners, I'm bringing up live properties. I'm like, who wants this one? I'm like, this one's for you, Brent. And then this one's for you, Diane. And this one's for you, Mitch. And we were just handing out properties like candy. And they're like, because they got the training, they were all ready to go. I mean, real estate has never been so easy. Now that's true for my partners as well. I'm giving them an opportunity to inherit my team, inherit my same level deals, and the entire turnkey system. What does that really mean? You don't have to build a team. You don't have to build a system. It's been built and it's right here. And if you want to know how you can get on a journey with me to not just doing a deal or 2 or 5 or 10, but if you want to know how to have no limit, because I love it when life becomes limitless. I love knowing that beyond becoming financially independent, that there's financial freedom. Freedom is not just getting out of a job. It's more than that. It's really being able to live your life of your dreams on your terms. And the reality is for most of you, that's a lot of money. So you finally have a way to be able to do that. Now listen, you can go out there and be inspired by my video and create it all for yourself, but I want you to know that for the very first time ever, this is the first video I've ever made. That last event was the first event I've ever done where I've unleashed that I'll give you access to my entire team, and we'll go into the marketplace for you, and we'll not only do your deals, we'll do your partners' deals. And my friend, that is what you call a game changer. In fact, it's so big I can tell that some of you are like, whoa, how do I wrap my mind around it? But here's what it means. It means you can have what I have, you can do what I do, you can be what I am. Everything I am in real estate, it's yours. That, my friend, is my magnum opus. It's the culminating, it's the tip of the spear, and it's my greatest achievement in the game of finance after all these years, is that I can pass it directly on to you. So if you want a shortcut, if you want to move faster, and if you say, Chris, I want to be a deal maker like you, I want the deals, I want access to other people's money, I want to put it all together, that's available to you right now. I will tell you, you got to get out to one of my next events. My next one is happening in my very own convention center that I've just built. It's a multi-million-dollar facility designed for housing massive transformation like we do at my events. And I want you to come get live with me, where you can learn about this for 4 days straight to become financially free. Or you can also just buy my book below, talk to my team and say, team, I want to know, how do I get on my path to having what Chris has? He made this video. He says that instead of just helping me do a deal or 2 or 5 or 10, that there's a way for me to borrow and access his team to do as many deals as I want. And my friend, that is now available here for you today. So thanks for watching. Find more information about that in the link below. I look forward to getting with you, hopefully seeing you at one of my live events. And you need to know something. This is real. Most people are going to watch this video, and you know what they're going to say? It's too big, it's too much, or it's not real. But I want you to understand that even though I've done nearly $1 billion of this, people will still be skeptical. People will still say it can't be done. People will still say it's too hard. But then there are the others, the few. It's what Jim Rohn calls the magic and the mystery. Everyone can, but not everyone will. Which will you be? I hope you be the latter. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Tomorrow I got a new video coming your way, and I'm gonna teach you more ninja hacks and tricks to being your best self and creating the wealth and having the life of your dreams. I hope to meet you in person. Take care, my friend. See you tomorrow.